Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious tandoori chicken breast. This I have grilled on tawa and I have not used oven for it, and this tasted super amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jadi apun ei recipe ko odia dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then upar thivā I button link ko press କରନ୍ତୁ. So first here I have taken 400 grams of chicken breast. You can also take normal chicken pieces if you want. Make slits on the chicken pieces like so. Make sure to make the slits on front and back both. Now keep them aside. To make the marinade, in a bowl take 4 tablespoons of curd. I have taken hung curd here. To that add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilly powder, 1 teaspoon each of coriander powder and cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi, and 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. This is completely optional. You can also add garam masala instead of it. Now mix everything well. Add juice of half a lemon and give it a mix. Then add the chicken breast pieces to it and coat it well with marinade. Make sure to get the marinade in the slits. Marinate for an hour. Meanwhile, let's make a simple dip. For the dip, in a blender jar, take handful of mint leaves. Then take 1 green chilli, juice of half a lemon, and half inch of ginger. Blend to make a coarse paste. Then in a bowl, take half cup of yogurt. To that add the green paste. Also sprinkle black salt and chili flakes for flavoring. Mix well till combine. So our yummy mint yogurt dip is ready. Keep it aside. Then on a tawa, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then add the marinated chicken pieces when the oil is completely hot. Cook on high flame for a minute and then cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Flip and cook the other side as well. Cook it the same way, first on high flame and then on low flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of butter and let it flavor. I have added garlic and herbs butter here. You can also use normal butter if you want. Add little butter on top of the chicken pieces and let it melt. Adding butter gives it a different and unique flavor. You can also skip it if you want. So our chicken breasts are perfectly cooked now. Serve it hot with the dip we made. This dip goes perfectly well with the tandoori chicken. You can also make normal pieces. I have used chicken breast here. Finally, sprinkle some chaat masala on top to give this the restaurant style flavor. And our delicious tandoori chicken is ready. I have made it without oven, but still it tasted so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.